All right, let's talk about late payments. They're a real pain, aren't they? They can seriously mess with your business's cash flow. But did you know you can charge interest and compensation for them? It's all about getting what you're owed and discouraging future delays. So first up, late payment interest. This is the interest you charge on an outstanding invoice. The current rate is 8% plus the Bank of England base rate. Right now, with the base rate at 0.1%, that means a total of 8.1%. This is simple interest, not compound. To work it out, you simply take the amount owed and multiply it by that annual interest rate. For example, a £1,000 invoice that's 30 days overdue could incur around £8.20 in interest. You can only start charging this once payment is overdue, and you must let your client know you intend to do so, either in your terms or with a separate notice. It's a good deterrent too. Then there's late payment compensation. This is a separate fixed sum you can charge, designed to cover the administrative hassle and costs of chasing payments. The Late Payment of Commercial Debts Interest Act of 1998 allows you to charge between £40 and £100 per invoice, depending on its value. For instance, for debts up to £999, you can claim £40, with higher amounts for larger invoices. You could also claim reasonable debt recovery costs, like interest. You need to tell your debtor you'll be charging this. Now, who can you charge? This applies to commercial debts between businesses or when dealing with a public authority. You can't charge individual consumers, though. And there's a standard grace period, generally 30 days from the invoice date or when goods or services were received, whichever is later. If there's a genuine dispute over an invoice, you can't charge interest or compensation until it's resolved. While you don't have to charge these, it's entirely your decision. But it can certainly help cover those admin costs and encourage prompt payment. To make calculating your late payment rights a bit easier, why not check out PaymentCheck? You can see how any UK company pays its suppliers for free, and we also have a free late payment calculator right there for you. Give it a look.